welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty-free, mainly beauty. We're going to get into my spring FabFitFun box. You do want to sign up. I do have a link down below. Everybody has a link if you are subscribed to FabFitFun, whether you're an annual member or a seasonal member. I get a little cash back. You get to save some money. So, and I don't know if I've had anyone ever use my link before. I do post customization spoilers, which I did, and I also posted what I chose for my box. And let's get into this. So I am wearing some of these products today. I will show clips of me trying them on. First, we have the Kosas Soul Gazer Lengthening and Lifting Peptide Mascara in the shade Hypnotize, just black mascara. And there is the packaging. This is me after I put this on at like 7:30. I'd say it's more lengthening than volumizing, but no clumps. I haven't had any flakes, no smudges. There's the wand, and it's easy to open. So wearing this today, the Kosas Soul Gazer Intensifying Gel Eyeliner. I did swatch it right there. This is in the shade Mesmerize. It's a purple. And I've been wearing it again all day. I think it's in there, but it's not the most intense purple eyeliner I've ever used in my life. Sorry, this was an add-on. Excuse me. I'll put the prices here too. This I did choose. The packaging is really cute. The Value Spa Neroli Sun Bath. I don't know if I like this. The notes are solar powered citrus, neroli, and golden amber. I don't know what neroli smells like, but there's something about this. It just doesn't smell. It smells like soap. Like I don't know, like a hotel soap. Not like a good soap. I don't know. It just smells okay. Put this on today. Don't think it's on there anymore, but I did like it. The Ilia Lip Sketch Hydrating Crayon in the shade Genre. Let me swatch it. Right there. Nice crayon. Like, I used it as a lip liner / lipstick today, and it did feel moisturizing. My lips are not flaky or dry. I have been putting some lip balm on, but I did like it. I did go fresh, whatever. They always put coupons in there. And then I got this Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day White Peach Scent 3-in-1 dog shampoo. Cleanses, conditions, and deodorizes. And then I chose the Drunk Elephant Lala Retro Whipped Cream. I have used this before. This is Process, so I'm excited about this. And I chose the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Nice. And in my dewdrops, I do have the bronzing drops, so I was excited about this. Their packaging is so pretty, and everything smells really good. Last but not least, I picked this Olive and Piper ring. The packaging is cute. Feels nice. You can see it. It is kind of... It's a size 6, which I'm more of like a size 5. Honestly, I don't know. It might be smaller than that. But that was the small size they had. Only thing is you can feel here. It's like, let me put it on my pinky. So you can feel it here on the sides. But I do think it is pretty. I did get quite a few add-ons. This was $1.99. The One Step Gel, the Nails Inc. One Step Gel Manicure in the shade It's Topless, this really pretty red color. And then I've been wanting to try this. I have used dermaplaners before, but I've used the ones from Kitsch, and there's another brand that's like supposed to be wheat straw or something, but this is a reusable one. The Leaf Dermaplaner in gold, and it comes with 2 blades, 2 guards, and 1 precision clip. They're supposed to be a sustainable brand. And then I don't know how I feel about this either. The Commodity Milk. Maybe I don't like Commodity. I've tried a couple fragrances from them, and they're just not my favorite. This is the Expressive. But I also wasn't feeling good yesterday, so I don't know. It might just be me. But that was really cheap. And then I got this. I bring my lunch to work every day. I thought this is cute. You get to push it, and then a little, like, I think they're wheatgrass. Let me see. The Hip Cutlery Case Fork, Spoon, and Knife Wheat Straw. Yeah. Like $3.99. I thought that was cute. Also to like bring for my kids or something. And then I like a couple products from Innisfree. UV Defense Sunscreen and Broad Spectrum 36. Last but not least, I picked up the KT. Oh, okay. Came with a an extra, the deodorant bomb. They had other options, but I've just been hearing good things about this, but it was expensive, so I wanted to get cheaper. So we'll have to see how that is. Oh, it's not an add-on. It's this thing to help dispense it. Feels really nice. But they're supposed to be a sustainable brand too. So yeah, that was everything that I got in my FabFitFun box. Let me know if you've ever signed up for FabFitFun. Let me know if any of these products interest you. I will be posting reviews once I've used everything. And yeah, if you want to sign up for FabFitFun, again, I would greatly appreciate it. And let me know if you do use my link down below. If you want to sign up for the annual membership or the seasonal membership. You know, why not get a little bit of money off? And also support me and my channel. So yeah, I hope everyone's having a great day, week. If you are interested in following a cruelty-free and vegan content creator, if you like beauty content, eyeshadow palette reviews, mostly indie and drugstore, sometimes high-end, click subscribe, like, and hype, and I hope to see you in my next video.